Chips on life. It is not too busy today. It's not too crowded today. But there's always people out here. There's always people out here. You know, businesses, people partying, people enjoying their day, people having fun. You know, it's always something out here. Always something going on out here, okay? Got all the street vendors right here. People selling food, but no prices on them. Okay, you know, if you know, you know. And this guy selling chains and stuff like that. That's New York for you. It's a hustle. Hotels. If you're lucky, sometimes you run into stars. You see 50. I met 50 Cent twice. Yep. I met Mary J, but that was a long time ago. Ja Rule. I seen Ja Rule in Queens. Nas, I met Nas in on First Avenue. Yep. Enjoy the view. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think. If you just tuning in, check this is on life. Subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss nothing. And hit the notification button as well. Yeah, appreciate you guys. Oh, magic? I'll take one. Yep. Yeah. If you think the streets are packed, they're not, guys. Trust me. This is nothing compared to what I'm used to seeing. Okay. Chips on life. It's time for it. That right there in front of me is Good Morning America Studio. That's Good Morning America Studio right there. Yup, the news channel Good Morning America. Okay, if you know, you know. Good Morning America ABC. That's the studio right there. Check Zone Life. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Okay. And now we're on Broadway. Okay, it's Broadway right here. Broadway runs all the way down that way, all the way down. I mean, down farther. Okay. Most of the bikes over here, these guys are delivery guys. They do delivery on the bikes. Most of them use the city bikes or their own personal bike, or the rent a bike from the bike shop and use them. Okay, if you want to save money, side hustle is get a city bike, you know, and do Uber, do Lyft, Uber Eat, and some other stuff. You know what I mean? Grubhub, all that. Yep. Appreciate you guys for watching. Check Zone Life. Subscribe if you haven't. Okay, keep watching and support Zone Life. Thank you guys. Check Zone Life. We're just walking around New York City, guys. Little beautiful park over here. Let's cut through this park. And it's open to the public. Verizon Plaza, got free Wi-Fi, open to the public. Okay. Yep. Beautiful park, right? All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I'm saying.
There's city bikes everywhere. Okay, city bikes everywhere. City bikes are everywhere. Right now, right here with 6th Avenue. 6th Avenue. It got two names. Avenue of America. Okay, 6th Avenue on 42nd Street. All the way ahead of me over there, that's the Bryant's Park. Okay, and that's how it looked like. Yep, that's Bryant's Park across the street, and you got a Whole Foods sale over there. And right now I can tell you what time is it in London. Right now it's almost 6 o'clock in London. Rio is almost, it's 2:30 in Rio. Chicago it is almost 11:30 in Chicago. San Francisco is different time. Honolulu different times. Sydney in different times. You come in right around Tokyo different time. They got a time on the walls. So yeah, we're gonna go across the street real quick. Let me see. I'll show you guys more. Just take a quick sneak peek of Bryant's Park. Okay, Bryant's Park. Bryant's Park. Okay, this is Bryant's Park. Oh no, thank you. This is Bryant's Park. Bryant's Park. Yep. Bryant's Park. But we're not gonna go in there right now. If you're just joining, guys, check Zone Life. Subscribe, do what you gotta do, support your boy and keep watching, okay? And you got the train station right here. You got the you got the B, the D, the F and M and 7 train right there. Yep. That's Bryant's Park. And this is how the street look like. Beautiful. Alright, let's go down here and show you guys. I'm gonna try to get on the train real quick. I'm gonna try to get on the train. We're gonna take a walk. Okay, there's a lot of photographer out here, a lot of content creator out here in New York City. Yeah, that's normal thing. That's normal. Normal for us. Yeah.
51st, West 51st.
51st that way. 51st that way. Hey, when you get lost, you see that stuff right there? This stuff right here, the board. This board right here with the TV.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of them around. You look for them and tell you exactly where you need to go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I was a tourist.
Have a good one. All right. Let's go down here. I know. You're welcome. Yep. Happy Black History Month. Yep. Alrighty. See right here, Bryant's 42nd on Bryant's Park. Okay. So we're gonna go over here. Check Zone Life. We're in Times Square. And we're gonna walk you guys on the red steps real quick. We're gonna walk you guys on the red steps. This is how it look like. This is not crowded right now, okay? It is not crowded.
There's a big difference.
There's less people today. It's still a little chilly outside and stuff like that, a little chilly outside. But yeah, let's go on the red steps. Let's go on the red steps. I'm gonna come to red steps real quick, okay? We're in Times Square. This is the red step. This is the red steps. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. I'm doubling. I think it's about 30 something steps. I don't know, 60 something steps. Yep. Yeah. All right, excuse me. Already. This is Times Square, New York City. There's always something going on here. Oh, look at the bird right there. Awesome. Oops. appreciate Zone Life, guys. If you're just new to this, this is Zone Life. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification button just in case we post a new video. We'll let you know. Yeah, and this is how it look like. There's less people today, not too many people today. There's not too many people. There's not too many people. But yeah. Some people just chilling, pictures from different areas. They enjoying it, so doing what it do. Yeah. Ready? Let's go over here real quick, walk around a little bit, show you guys more stuff. Yep. Look at this artwork right here, beautiful artwork. Wow. He make those with his hands, that's nice. Yep. You got the subway right here. That's for the N, R, and W train. Okay. They do foreign exchange right here, different country, different rates and stuff like that. Get your tickets, go see different show.